Hey guys, we're back. We're going to do 2 more review lessons this week, and then next week we're going to start on some new material. So happy Thursday. 2 more days left of your spring break. So this is kind of just like a homework assignment that you would get over spring break. Shouldn't take you more than 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure you're putting your answers in the Google Doc and then submitting it. And I'm going to go through a couple examples before you begin. A parallel has 4 sides. Remember that to find the area of a parallel, we just do base times height. So when I look at this first one, I'm going to write on my paper for number 1, area equals base times height, because I should always start with my formula. The base, I'm going to count. Make sure you're counting with me. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gives me a base of 6. Our height then is our distance from this line to the opposite line. I could count here, I could count here, I could count here. I'm going to choose to count right here. 1, 2, 3. So my height is 3, which gives me an area of 18. I'm never going to leave it just as 18. I know that it needs to be 18 units, and that units has to be squared because I'm talking about area. Okay. For number 2, even more straightforward. You have to look at this question and say, what is the base and the height? So it's a area equals base times height. Area equals 8 times 7. Area equals 56 units squared. The only ones that you're going to need to be careful on today are ones where it gives you more than 2 numbers. So remember, like when you get to number 3, this box right here should help you decide which 2 numbers you should be using. Remember that our height is not necessarily our outside number. It's going to be our inside number that's connected to the box, so base and height. 10 problems. Make sure you put your final answers on your Google Doc and hit submit. And then make sure that you come back tomorrow and tomorrow morning before we start on our review. We'll look at our answers from today's so you can check your work tomorrow. Have a great Thursday, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.